Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to use booking.com as a host. Now go to this website booking.com and this is the basically home page, and as you can see, like, here's an option called select your login, the account which you have used to log in. So just click on my account and just scroll down at the end and you will see like all these options: payment, manage account, preferences. So just choose the last option, which is manage your property, list your property. So just click on list your property and you will see an option like register for free. As you can see, 45%, like, these are the benefits. Now you can just click on get started if you're not logged in, and if you're logged in, so if you're not logged in, just click on continue your registration. Otherwise you can just click on get started now, and they will ask you like create your partner account. So just enter the email address, click on continue, enter the information, enter the phone number. Let's say like this is my phone number. Let me just enter all those details, and once I've entered the phone number, just click on next, and they'll ask you to enter create a password as well. I hope this is the same passwords. So clear the captcha as well, and once done, so you will be redirected to another page. Like, as you can see, list your property on booking.com and start welcoming guests in no time. So you can just select your property, list your property, your home, apartment, hotels, alternative places. So whichever property do you have, you can just select your property, list your property. Just click on this option, list your property, and after that they will ask you to like enter all the details. So you can just enter the details, fill in the information, and you will be able to use booking.com as a host. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.